If you want to disable TalkBack on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first it is worth knowing how to navigate on the phone, how gestures work and how buttons work on the phone when TalkBack is indeed enabled. So if TalkBack is enabled, if you want to perform any gesture whatsoever, whether it is scrolling up or down on a page or in a menu, or if you want to, for example, go to the home screen and so on and so forth, all of these gestures you do exactly the same way, except you need to use 2 fingers instead of just 1. So usually you can just swipe up or down with 1 finger. You have to use 2 in that case if you have TalkBack enabled. And if there is any button, option, switcher, whatever, something on the menu that you can choose or select, in order to use that option, you need to tap on that option first in order to highlight it, and then you need to double tap anywhere on the screen in order to confirm your choice. So even if you use, let's say, 3 buttons for navigation, in order to use them, you have to do exactly the same thing. You have to tap on a button first and then double tap anywhere on the screen in order to confirm. This is of course crucial to know because otherwise you will have a very hard time navigating on this phone and finding this option. So first we're gonna start by actually turning everything off. Closing all apps that we have in the background. In my case I have settings enabled, but I'm just gonna completely close it just to start from the beginning. We're gonna start from the home screen. Over here on home screen, if you have settings, then of course you can just tap on that app and then you can double tap to confirm. You can use 2 fingers to swipe left and right to go to a different page, or you can just swipe up in order to open the app drawer, and then you can choose the settings app in here. So tap once and then double tap. Here we're gonna scroll all the way down, so use 2 fingers to scroll down and then tap on additional settings and then double tap. Then we're gonna go to accessibility, so tap and double tap. Then we need to switch to the hearing option, sorry, to the vision option. Yeah, to the vision option over here. Then we're gonna tap on the TalkBack. Of course, we need to tap and double tap. Now we have use TalkBack switcher, so we're gonna tap on that option and then double tap in order to confirm. And here we need to also confirm that we want to turn off TalkBack, so just tap on the button once, double tap, and that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.